Hi, my name's Ricky and this is Sophie. I'm one of the kennel attendants here at the Sunbury Animal Hospital. Our job is to help take care of your pets while they come and board with us on their vacation. While they're here, we feed twice a day and we walk 4 times a day. Besides that, we have a number of different boarding extras that you can choose from to add on for your pet while they're staying with us. These extras range from indoor or outdoor playtime to doggy desserts to a nature trail walk. When we go on these nature trail walks, we go from the tree line that surrounds our field, and these walks usually take about 15 minutes. You'll get to see a short glimpse of what a nature trail walk would look like from a couple different perspectives. So let's go. Come on, Soph.